When those winter blues come knocking, it's easy to want to curl up like a burrito and hide. Sometimes we just need to throw on our boots and tackle the chill head on. And that's exactly our plan.
Hello world, it's been a hot minute. We're going to Brave the BRRR event. It's the first event that's happening starting this year with the guys over at Adventure Trail Gear. And we've been working on this property for 6-7 months to clear it out. We've got some pretty nasty winter camping that we're going to be doing this weekend. You know, -20 weather. On top of that, a big snowstorm. There's not going to be much off-road, but there's going to be a lot of camping. So yeah, we're going to go there and we're going to have some fun.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, we got another YouTuber.
YouTuber. Oh my God.
Oh
my God.
Oh. Hi, Juno. Hey, buddy.
You see where I absolutely buried my truck trailer in here last
I heard
night?
about it.
Yeah.
Your brand new trailer.
Yeah.
How
Here.
impressed are you?
Not at all. I'm pissed. True.
Oh no.
Oh no. Night one, decide. Forgot the sleeping bag at home. But in good note, our new setup, 36 degrees at 3 a.m. inside that tent.
Oh, is that good for you?
Actually, yeah, I was cold at first, but you know,
Oh, okay.
in the middle of the night, I was like sweating to death. It was like 30-something degrees in there.
Oh,
It was good.
that's good.
I enjoyed it.
Well, that's his new tent. Well, newish tent.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, got a little. Anyway, yeah, Brave the BRRR.
I was attempting to actually brave the BRRR if nothing else worked last night.
Well, it was like -20 last
Yeah.
night, so.
It's been a while since I set it up, so I'm trying to remember as I go.
Well, you got time, right?
Yeah. As long as I'm set up before dark. Film?
Hey, oh.
Yeah.
Hey, man.
Hey, Brooke. Hey, Shannon.
Yeah, you're gonna want to keep it safe faster, I guess. Yeah. I actually, the first time we were talking about it, I came up with the name Brave the BRRR, and at the time I didn't realize that BRRR was a sound. I thought it was a word, and I spelt it B-U-R-R. And my wife was like, "You know, that's a sound, right?" So we quickly changed the spelling of it, and yeah, so that's a little bit of a self-embarrassment, but there is afraid to ask questions.
After the wonderful intros of the event, we kick back, spill the beans about ourselves, swap stories of our epic rigs and wild adventures, all before diving into a mouth-watering feast.
Just hanging out, about to get some brisket and mac and cheese. Oh, go ahead, man. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy it.
Come over here.
Thoughts on it? How's it, Roger?
Nice, that's super.
Yeah,
Very good. Hard to beat that stuff, I tell you.
yeah, I'd say. Smoked.
Oh yeah. Super good stuff.
Yep. Zach, thoughts on the brisket?
I think I'm gonna come.
That was pretty appropriate. Kids watch this channel.
Bleep it out.
What do you expect?
Man, that's quite the breakfast of champions here camping. How'd you sleep?
Good.
Yeah.
Warm, but good.
For something that's in one bag? Yeah. That's not bad.
I'm hungry.
They made some good breakfast.
You're having breakfast? I haven't even eaten.
I'm not having breakfast. Nigel gave me a bite.
Lucky you.
There's some in there.
I'm just behind the camera, you
Some right
know.
here. Take some. I'm gonna just throw it out anyway. My hands are really cold.
How's that?
Oh, good. Filled with Zonic too.
Oh.
Mom and Dad.
How was your first night at Brave the BRRR?
Great. Good.
Sweating to death all night.
Yeah. Sweating to death.
Definitely best thing we bought.
Yeah, I'd rather sweat than freeze, so no complaints.
That's good. That's good.
All good.
Yeah, we're just kind of hanging out here, getting some breakfast, some coffee, warming up in the fire. So it's overnight. It was like -20. You know, thankfully we have a bunch of diesel heaters, which is a good thing to have. So outside of that, we're just gonna hang out. We're gonna do some snowshoeing, hopefully. Hey, Nigel. Are you giving me some breakfast?
Bringing you some breakfast.
Oh, more breakfast?
Yeah.
You not hungry?
No,
Well-
Jamie couldn't finish it.
Oh, well, I guess I got some breakfast, so. Is Nigel?
We're building a fort here for the contest, so we got a little double edge lean to it. Yeah, there you go. We took a fallen tree that was already stuck in place for our base. So yeah, power saw is helping quite a bit.
Oh, it's gone. Putting me up the other side wall there.
He was
Gotta
the
limb some more trees.
He was the motivator to go big. Go big or go home, he said.
This is your first time building one?
No, definitely not. But I'll hear ya.
That's cool. I love it. Reminds me of what I used to build.
Where?
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Anywhere I can.
Wherever I can, yeah.
Yeah. Are you sabotaging?
No,
Are you sure?
I'm just coming to see what they're doing. You guys are copying us.
What?
We put all this is.
There's only so many ways to build a shelter.
I'm guessing there's also some moss in there.
How's it going?
Oh,
We're gonna do a loop and say goodbye to everybody, and
cool.
we're gonna go home, get some dinner going. You know?
Well, thanks for coming out, dude.
Yeah, no problem, man.
I hope you're okay with being on film.
Oh yeah, put me on there. I don't care. Just get my good side. Have a good one.
Nice meeting you. You guys take care,
Yeah,
alright?
have a good one.
See ya.
Buddy. On 360.
I like this.
Mini break for Jamie.
Trying to work. I think this should win best campsite.
Yeah, that was my first
It would have been great to have one of
It's tickets to the gathering this September in Ontario at Calabogie Peaks Resort. Awesome spot for it. Really good event. Adam Warren. There we go. This is 2 XL Go Tread traction boards. So Kevin hooked us up with these. These are lifetime warranty. Brooke McPhee, who left 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
Brooke, Christian will bring those to you later. If anyone's ever met Ian, you'll never forget him. A giant, ginger, bearded Viking who splices these by hand. Not this thing. He forges it with his thumbs. So a low friction ring, basically a snatch block. You put it between these. You run your winch line around it, and you can use it as a snatch block. Nice and small, easy, no pinches. And then 2 soft shackles that he makes himself. He makes those in Ontario. Aaron Lawrence.
Thanks to the event sponsors for amazing prizes. It is now time to prepare for the snowstorm and enjoy some time by the fire.
Hey, how's your sleep?
Good, you?
Good. Warm?
Warm?
Warm.
That's
Very
good.
warm. Opening
Yeah.
windows halfway through the night.
Not as much snow as I thought we were gonna get.
Yeah. It's good though.
Yeah.
People seem to be
So
getting
nice. up. Yeah. These guys. What'd you guys hear?
Howdy. It rained pretty fucking good. Mostly freezing rain. Oh, yeah, right. I'm on camera. I can't use that word. Shit. But yeah, no, it rained. Freezing rain. Every time I went to go up and check on everyone, I'd go out the tent door and...
Oh, now you want to...
Never mind going back to bed.
Oh man, no, that's fine for me.
do that for 2 days now without trying to close it.
You sleep all right, Cody?
What?
Did you sleep all right?
Sleep, I got some. Yeah, I sleep.
You stayed warm.
Yeah, warm, yes. He stayed warm with pee jugs.
Cold.
Interesting. That's an interesting method.
I had to pee 4 times, so I jugged it twice, and I got out of the tent twice.
I jugged it twice. Quote of the day.
Reference one of the Lost Bikes videos where I talked about peeing in a jug. Someone took me seriously.
That's the quote of the day. I jugged it.
All done.
I jugged it. That's the quote of the day.